Hi, it's Pat Fitzgerald, the VA loan guy. Today we're going to talk about escrow holdbacks for repairs. So today we're going to talk about escrow holdbacks. So what does that really mean and why is it needed? Well, many times when there are repairs that show up on an appraisal that need to be done prior to the lender closing it, possibly some cosmetic work needs to be done, or maybe even there's a missing air conditioning condensing unit outside, or maybe there's no carpet in the house or something like that. Many times these things can be done with what's called a very simple escrow holdback. So, and many times the seller of the property, like I have one going through right now, they're elderly and they can't do the repairs. They have the money to pay for it, but they just don't have the ability to do the repairs. So what we do is we find out what the repairs are. We hold back some money from the seller at closing to get these repairs done. Mostly these are things like cosmetic repairs, but it could be as much as a roof, some flooring work. It's never foundation or room additions or a kitchen rehab or anything like that. These are minor things that can be done within no more than a week, preferably a day or two. Some mortgage providers will not do this at all, others will. So be sure wherever you're going through on your loan that you touch base with that lender to make sure if they're willing to do this. But it's very simple. But generally speaking, here's how it works. If we have, let's say, $5,000 worth of work that needs to be done. Let's say we have a missing air conditioning compressor unit outside that needs to be replaced. The title company, the mortgage company will require that 150% of those funds that it's going to cost to do those repairs get held back at the title company. So a quick example of that is if we have $5,000 worth of work that needs to be done on the home, the lender is going to instruct the title company to hold back $7,500, 150% of whatever the repairs are. Once the repairs are done very quickly, then the lender will send the appraiser back out there to verify that the work has been done. And as soon as that's done, then the money is released to the vendor that did the work, and the remaining money, that extra 50%, is returned to the seller for their proceeds. So that's pretty much how it goes. This may create more questions, and if it does, I'm always here for you. So I tell everybody it doesn't cost a penny to talk. So if you have questions now or anytime, don't hesitate to call me. I'm at 210-215-4400. Once again, 210-215-4400. Thanks for tuning in.